I am back with another unboxing video. This is basically what's in my mail, what I've ordered, and just unboxing stuff because I love to unbox stuff. I wonder what's in this. Feels like it's a book. Or do you think it's makeup? It's one of those where you don't know and I don't know. Are you ready? Starting with this big guy. What's in this? Just kidding, guys. I ordered this. I know what's in it. But I have to unbox it with you. Are you ready? Okay, so you guys remember I told you I've ordered 2 bags from Behno, and one I showed you in my Get Ready With Me video. If you haven't watched that, I will link it here. I don't know how I'm unboxing this. I think I'm just ripping it. That's how we unbox. This is my second beautiful bag. Gonna throw the carton behind me. Are you ready to see this? This is a much bigger bag than the earlier one, but I feel like it'll be the cooler one. And I'll use it more because it's bigger. There are like many layers to this. That's one more layer. And this, my friends, is the final bit. Ta-da! What do you guys think? So it's kind of like a file, you know what I mean? Like it's really thin, which is what really attracted me to this bag. And I thought it's a really nice black bag for events and other stuff. It's quite big, so I will definitely fit in like my products and like a lot of stuff. And I just like the design of it. Like you can see the handles are like this, very classic, very cool. And they had like a summer sale, which was like 50% off. So I got this and the other one in the other video. Love it. What's in this? I wonder what's in this. Okay, let's go. Got my trusty cutter, which is really sharp. So guys, I feel like my table is really dirty. I'm gonna stop for a second because the crows are going crazy, and I'm also gonna clean my table. There's been a lot of work that's gone on here, and it's very dusty, so I don't want any of my new things to get dirty. So while the crows croak, I will clean. Okay, so this is Activewear. They've sent me a really nice black sports bra. Oh, the fabric feels so good. And what do we have here? Some tights. I feel like black for me with like activewear is the safest because I like to mix and match. Like with black bottoms, I do a colorful top, or like I do a full black on black set. The fabric is really soft, I have to say. And yeah, I can't wait to wear this. Thanks, guys. Then we have a small guy that's packed quite insanely. Oh, this is from Malini. So she sent this for Mars from her doggy. She said these are the yummiest treats. Dear Mars, enjoy this cheesy friendship treat. Love, Milo. So she told me Mars will love these, and she said I'm going to send them to you with instructions. And yeah, they're these yummy cheesy Yakk treats because she saw this video of Mars loving cheese. And yeah, thank you Malini and Milo. Mars is going to love these. Then we have something from Aveda, my favorite. What do we have? Oh, it is the Scalp Solution exfoliating treatment. This is the best thing for the monsoon. So thanks, guys. This is one thing that I use at least twice a week during the monsoon. Love it. What do we have in here? I feel like this is like an ASMR unboxing. Ooh, okay, so this is from Onaya, and it's a really beautiful set. Like you have trousers, you can see these are the trousers, and then this is the beautiful top. Like how pretty is that? Thanks guys, love it. Then we have a lovely PR package from Nivea, which I think is going to be sunscreen since it says Nivea Sun. I actually like packages like this which are reusable and you can get great value out of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get Weber to paint something here and make it even cooler and keep it as a beach bag. So thanks for that, guys. There's also a chata, getting ready for the monsoon. Okay, so there's a zipper. There's a a visor, there's an umbrella, there's a beach bag, and then of course the real deal, the sunscreen, which is what we're all here for. Pretty well priced. This is priced at $5.99. Honestly, this is the shine control one. This is the sensitive one. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to review these. I have loved Nivea sunscreens in the past. The spray sunscreen, in fact, is the one I've been using for years whenever I travel. It was one of the first few brands that did spray sunblock, and it's so good for the body. I haven't tried these yet, so yeah, excited to try them. Let me know in the comments if you want me to review them. Thanks, Nivea. It feels like it's a book. Maybe it's a book. It is a book! I better start reading. I have not read in a while. So this is from my favorite Vex King. I have all his books, and I have actually read all his books in the past. Things No One Taught Us About Love. This sounds interesting. Maybe this will break my non-reading curse and I will get back to actually reading a book. Thank you for this. This is a big one, guys. I don't know how people open packages looking so graceful. Somehow I always end up looking like I'm wrestling everything. This is from Terrai Beauty. What do we have here? We have some more sunscreen, tinted sunscreen, which is interesting. And there's a lovely planner with this as well. Oh wow, this is so beautiful. Thank you guys. I can't wait to check out all this and try these. What is in this guy? It's from one of my favorite brands, Uniqlo. This is their UT t-shirt. What do we have this time? So I wear a lot of these t-shirts and I really just live in them. This is the back and this is the front. And by the way, now Zayn is my size, so he steals a lot of my t-shirts. The last two Uniqlo t-shirts I got, he has stolen. So better be hiding this one. Thanks, guys. From one of my favorite international brands to one of my favorite homegrown brands. Why So Blue? You guys also saw them recently in my Shark Tank video. I will link it here. If you haven't watched it, watch it now. This is a new maxi dress which looks really comfortable, and it's a tie-up on the top, so I think it's going to be worn quite a bit. This is so pretty and it looks really comfy. Thank you guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. Something from M.A.C. Do you think it's beauty or do you think it's makeup? It is beauty. So I actually tried the M.A.C beauty stuff earlier and I really liked it. This was the Hyper Real range and I really loved what they had. Okay, so there's one of these which is, you know, to put that on and clean your face and stuff like that. There's a cream to foam cleanser and there's a cleansing oil. Really love the cleansing oil and I can't wait to try the cleanser because I'm a cleanser girl. You guys know that. I love trying new cleansers and I use like at least 2 cleansers at a time usually. So let's open this one up. What do we have here? Oh, this is my dad's ginger. You guys have seen me order this a zillion times. He likes the sweetened dry ginger and I ordered off Amazon, and yeah, you guys have seen it before in my unboxing. This is for daddy. Another Amazon package, which is obviously mine and I know what's in it, but you don't know. I am actually very excited about this. So as you guys know, I recently whitened my teeth again, sparkly and shiny. I had a nice water flosser earlier which I had stopped using, and then it got too dirty and then I just was like, it's not working for me and I want to get a new one, and I stopped getting a new one. For a while I kept saying I'll get it, never got it. Finally got it, because when I went to the dentist and she was like, you really need to floss, you really need to use a electrical toothbrush again, because that also happened. My toothbrush had conked and then I was like, you know, I'll just use a manual brush. And then when I saw my teeth, you know, the photos they take of your teeth, and I was like, oh, okay, no. So I bought both these. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do like a to buy or not to buy on the water flosser and the new smart toothbrush that I brought. Mind you, it's not a damn toothbrush, it's a smart toothbrush and it's really good. Like, I love it. So let me know if you want me to cover both or any one in to buy or not to buy. Abhi ke liye I'm just going to show you guys because this is an unboxing and not a review. This is a better model than the one I had earlier, and it's also supposed to look better, I think. At least visually it looked nicer. I got the black one this time because the white one got really dirty, and I like this frosted plastic angle because even in the clear plastic it gets very dirty. So let me know in the comments if you want a review, and thank you Sherry for buying this because this is all you. Last but not the least, we have this big white one, which is from, I don't know, can't tell. It's one of those where you don't know and I don't know. Okay. Unbox. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, this is from another lovely homegrown brand called Saphed. There's a really cute waistcoat, and then we have these pants with it. It's again really soft, and I think it's gonna look really cool when I wear this. You know what? I actually feel like I've gotten a lot of clothes today. Why don't we do a little bit of a lookbook? Let's go.
I said, darling, can you see? There's no room for us. There's no room. Now our lives are changing. Promises keep slipping. And I always knew it wasn't you. It wasn't you. Now our lives are changing. Promises keep slipping. And I always knew it wasn't you. It wasn't you.
So guys, those were all the packages that I had to open for you today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and comment below with what your favorite package was from today. See you guys. Bye.